Happy Friday, everyone. This is Ray Cruz with today's mortgage market update. And today I'm going to dive into the stimulus package benefits and discuss some of the benefits for small businesses and anyone who is considered self-employed. And there's a lot to go over. So, as I'm sure you've heard about the record number of American workers that filed for unemployment last month as a result of the coronavirus pandemic, it was a staggering number. And it was a wake-up call to our elected officials at the local, state, and at the federal level. So on March 27th, the president signed a $2 trillion plan to stimulate the economy. The Coronavirus Aid, Relief, Economic Security Act was founded, also known as CARES. The relief package provides lump sum checks to many Americans, defers payroll taxes for eligible small businesses, and expands unemployment coverage to self-employed workers. First, let's review the stimulus payments for everyone. If you're a United States resident with a Social Security number and an adjusted gross income of $75,000 or less, you will receive a stimulus payment of $1,200. Married couples earning $150,000 or less with no children will receive a total of $2,400. These same adults will also receive an additional $500 for each qualifying child that's 16 or younger. The payment amount, though, decreases for recipients making more than $75,000 per year. And payments dissolve entirely for single adults earning $99,000 or more per year. And also for married couples earning $198,000 or more per year. The amount paid by the government is based on your adjusted gross income, as indicated on your personal 1040 federal tax returns. So if you haven't prepared your 2019 tax return, the government will use your 2018 federal tax return. And in the event you haven't filed your 18 or 19 tax return, it could affect your stimulus payment altogether, and you may not qualify to receive one. And according to the Treasury Secretary, you should see the money in your bank account within 3 weeks. And if the IRS already has your bank account information, it'll transfer the payment amount you qualify for into your account via a direct deposit. And you should get a paper notice in the mail after the IRS disperses your payment, telling you where the payment went. So for now, expect just one payment, but future legislation could provide additional payments depending on the status of our economy. Okay, so now I want to review the benefits of the stimulus package for small business owners and anyone that's self-employed. The stimulus plan provides loans to business owners with 500 or fewer employees who continue to employ and pay workers during this pandemic. The loans are intended to prevent employee layoffs and cover your payroll costs. More than $300 billion of the $200 trillion rescue plan is designated to help small businesses stay afloat and keep workers employed. So starting today, you can sign your business up for different programs. Today, I'm going to discuss the Paycheck Protection Program. These loans will cover 6 weeks of payroll, up to $1,540 per week per employee. The maximum loan amount given to the company will be based on your total monthly payroll cost for 2019. Then take that number and multiply it by 2.5%, and that's how they'll calculate the max loan amount you can get approved for. In the event you weren't in business in 2019 and just started, let's say, in 2020, your loan amount will be calculated based on your January and February 2020 payroll. Eligible businesses must be able to verify 6 weeks of employee payroll to receive the loan, and then verify 8 weeks of employee payroll after receiving the loan. The Small Business Administration will work with banks to distribute these loans starting today. So please make sure you check with your whatever bank you're currently doing business with to ensure they're participating in this program. And if they are, make sure you apply as soon as possible, because the funds are limited and it's first come, first serve. So that's really important that you apply today as soon as possible, because when they're gone, you won't get them. So I want to make sure everybody knows that. There are also benefits for unemployed unemployed self-employed workers. So if you're a sole proprietor or a contractor or anyone receiving 1099 income, you're considered self-employed and you're entitled to these benefits. So I strongly encourage you to review all of the programs available for financial assistance. I'm providing some links below in my Facebook page, and I encourage you guys to click and read them thoroughly. As I'm just giving you a quick overview to let you know that there are some programs available, and these links will provide all the details to the funds that are available to you. So I hope you found this information helpful, and make sure you visit your bank's website so you can apply for these funds as soon as possible, since they are limited. Of course, always feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. I'll see you guys on Monday with another mortgage market update. Stay safe, healthy, and hope everyone has a great weekend.